wonderful. We had such a professional group that came out and worked on it. They started on both sides of the house, and there was two guys here in the back, and before I knew it, they were finished. It was such a great job, and they were just, as I said, very professional and very quick in doing it. They knew what they were doing. I love them. We had the old aluminum that let the air in, the air conditioning out. And now we have good solid closure, and I didn't even have to put on the heat when it got cool recently. So I'm very, very pleased with that. Cutting the energy bill down completely. Oh, I had wonderful people. I had people that lined up what date they would be here, any problems they checked on to see if there was any problems with the windows or with any of the installation. And there were quite a number of people that were communicating from the company to us.